Hi, welcome guys. So many people ask me, how can we learn coding and actually create websites, projects, and apps by ourselves? So on YouTube, there are a lot of free tutorials, and even on Udemy, there are many cool courses. But the issue there is that you just keep watching the course and are not able to do anything yourself. So to solve that issue there is Scrimba for you. Scrimba is a learning platform where you get a lot of free courses. And if you want, you can buy the Pro plan at a very affordable price. And then you get many professional courses as well. Scrimba is like YouTube plus Visual Studio Code. And what I mean by that, I will show you, so the Scrimba website will open for you simply by clicking the link in the description. And if you join the Pro plan for my link, you will get 20% off, so don't forget. So as you can see, here are some courses I'm following, and I have the Pro plan, and I totally love that. So when you come to the website, first you'll need to log in or sign up. And here on the sidebar, you will see Home, then Courses, then Topics, Projects and Teams, and other things. Then courses you are following, and then some popular courses, so you can see they have a lot of cool stuff, like if you want to learn AI, here is a complete roadmap. Like they are teaching everything after that, other things like algorithms, .css, databases, and many more. But if I take you to the courses, you will see a complete full stack developer path, which will make you a full stack developer. And there are many courses if you want to learn Vue after that, Node.js and Next.js, which I am personally following, and SQL, and many more. And you will see many courses are absolutely free, but the ones with the Pro tag are available in the Pro plan, but it is totally worth it. So for example, let's say I want to learn full stack now. I will show you what is unique in this and here first in the content. You will see a complete roadmap of what you will learn. And at the end, you will also get a certificate. And if I take you to the About section, you will see everything explained about what you will learn, and then teachers, and you can also see some reviews, which is absolutely awesome. So now to start this course, I will simply click on Start Course, and you will see here is our complete IDE. I mean, you can say Online Visual Studio Code, and I can even interact with it. Here is the terminal. Here is the console. I can create files and folders like everything. Can you see how awesome this is? Literally, it is a video, and now if I come here and unpause, you will see how cool they explain things with memes and stuff, so you do not get bored. And this was the introduction, but if I go to the next lesson, you will see they actually give us complete projects which we will build and change. Like you see, it is a video, right? And now if I want to change something, okay, so I just click here. And for example, I want to change this heading that says, let's make a cake. So I simply click here and I write, let's make an ice cake. And now if I save, you will see it is updated here in real time. And I can also go into different files. And now if I want to continue the course again, I just play it. You see, that is so cool. Isn't it so? Do not miss this and do not stay behind quickly. Create your account now from the link in the description and start your journey with a Cost Street. Great intro.